Imagine a world where every day you could learn something new and remarkable, something that makes you see the world in a completely different light. Today, we are about to embark on a journey through 5+1 mind-blowing facts that you never knew, designed especially for curious young minds. So sit back and get ready to have your mind expanded. To kick things off, let's talk about something that exists beyond what the eye can see. Ants. Did you know that the total weight of all the ants on Earth is roughly equal to the total weight of all the humans? It's astonishing when you think about how small ants are compared to humans. There are about 1 million ants for every human, and they have been around for over 100 million years. They play an incredibly important role in our ecosystem by aerating the soil, decomposing organic material, and even helping to control pest populations. Now, hold on to your hats because here comes the second fact. You may think rainbows are just beautiful arcs of color in the sky, but did you know that a rainbow is actually a full circle? When sunlight shines on water droplets, it bends and reflects, forming a circle. However, we usually only see a half or less from the ground because the other half is hidden by the horizon. To see a full circle rainbow, you would need to view it from an elevated position like an airplane or a tall building with a clear view all around. Moving on to our next amazing fact. Did you know that there's a creature so small yet incredibly complex it defies belief? It's called a tardigrade, or water bear. These microscopic creatures can survive some of the most extreme conditions known to man. From boiling heat to freezing cold, and even in the vacuum of space, tardigrades can endure it all. Scientists are fascinated by their ability to undergo cryptobiosis, a state where their metabolic activities come to a standstill, allowing them to survive without water for up to a decade. Our fourth fact takes us beyond Earth into the wide cosmos. Have you ever wondered why the planet Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther away from the sun? The answer lies in Venus's atmosphere, which is thick with carbon dioxide and clouds made of sulfuric acid. This causes an intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising temperatures to a scorching average of 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Here's our fifth astonishing fact about something that stands right before our very eyes: trees. The oldest tree in the world is a Great Basin bristlecone pine named Methuselah, located in California, USA. It is over 4,800 years old. Imagine the stories it could tell if it could speak. These trees survive for millennia due to their ability to endure harsh conditions and their slow growth, which allows them to develop a dense wood that resists insect infestations and decay. And finally, the +1 bonus fact that ties everything together in an amazing way. Let's talk about the power of imagination. Did you know that when we read stories or imagine things in our mind, our brain treats it almost as if it's real? For instance, reading about a character running through a forest can activate the same part of the brain as actually being in a forest. This is why stories can transport us to different worlds and times. They engage our emotions, build empathy, and enhance our ability to think creatively and critically. As we wrap up this captivating journey through incredible facts, remember that the world is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. So never stop asking questions and exploring the amazing universe around you. The beauty of knowledge is that it never runs out. There's always something new to learn. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep your curiosity alive and let your imagination soar.